Fiji Ambassador to Japan, His Excellency Mr. Isikeli Mataitonga, the Honorary Consul General, Moria San, the Chairman of Investment Fiji, the Counselor from the Japanese Embassy in Suva, representing the Japanese Ambassador, Mr. Kinzo Nakugan, respective members of the Tohoku Business Delegation, ladies and gentlemen.
またいとんが駐日大使、それから森谷総領事、日本大使。
I'm humbled standing here this evening as your chief guest for the cocktail reception this evening. Thank you for your invitation.
今日、チーフゲストとして、ここに立っていることを。
At the outset, I would like to thank Moria-san and his delegation for choosing Fiji in pursuit of their business venture. I'm sure you must have had the opportunity to discuss and also have been briefed by the relevant line agencies. As you may know, Fiji is always open for business, and we value you as our potential investment partners. We strongly believe that foreign investment is an important conduit towards the growth of the Fijian economy. The government of Fiji has been implementing policies with the aim of creating a conducive environment for you investors. At a personal level, I have always been very appreciative of the Japanese culture and the people of Japan. I have served in Japan as a former ambassador myself, and I do realize the opportunities that Fiji and Japan have to offer each other. Fiji and Japan had formed diplomatic relations in 1970. It has been more than 40 years, and I'm proud to say that our relations have excelled to greater heights. The government of Fiji also acknowledges the assistance provided by the government of Japan. Fiji currently benefits from the JICA volunteers that are attached with our different ministries. The volunteers not only provide expertise but also play an important role in capacity building. We have over the years also benefited from capital projects by the government of Japan. An explicit example is the ICT infrastructure at the University of the South Pacific. On behalf of the government and people of Fiji, I wish to reiterate Fiji's support on working with the government of Japan in areas of mutual interest. Please rest assured that we will do our best to also assist you investors in the best way possible to ensure your business aspirations in Fiji are fulfilled. On this note, I wish you all the very best in your business venture, and I do hope to meet you in the near future in Fiji once you establish your commercial presence here. Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, please join me in enjoying our cocktail reception. Nagabagalevu, and thank you. Domo arigato.
今日のコクテルパーティー、カクテルパーティー